The Tsonga people, a peaceful Bantu tribe living in southern Africa, split between Mozambique and South Africa. Tsongas love children, and having a big family is still a great honor for Tsonga men and women. As the size of a man's family grows, people will tell him, Shibongo Shakula, meaning, your surname is growing. Not only is his last name growing, but so is his wealth, respect, and social standing within the village. Like Jesus, many Tsongas say with their actions, "Let the children come to me." It is not a chore for them to have kids, and it is common for Tsonga mothers and grandmothers to care for the children of extended family like nephews, nieces, and grandchildren. It is not unusual to see a granny walking down the path carrying her grandchild or even her great-grandchild on her back. What many Tsongas believe today about children is what Scripture has always taught. Children are a heritage from the Lord, the fruit of the womb, a reward. Children are compared to arrows because of the strength and security they bring. Like arrows in the hand of a warrior are the children of one's youth. There is a Tsonga proverb that says, Vanubatirahi vumba rahatsakama, meaning clay is molded when it is still wet. Children are a blessing because parents have the privilege of educating young, impressionable lives. Train up a child in the way he should go, Proverbs tells us. But the Tsonga home has many enemies today. One is the terrible holocaust of abortion. In today's Republic of South Africa, specifically since 1994, a woman, regardless of age, can murder the child in her womb if she is less than 13 weeks pregnant. Ending the child's life less than 20 weeks old is about as easy. The mother has no obligation to inform anyone, including the father or her parents. Each year, approximately 100,000 South African children, innocent and defenseless, are killed in the womb. As the numbers of deaths increase, so do the ubiquitous posters in South African towns hailing cheap abortions. Just call Dr. So-and-so. Among the 7 things God hates, according to Proverbs, are hands that shed innocent blood. Another enemy to Tsonga families is the absence of fathers in the home. Children born out of wedlock is rampant, with the government actually encouraging this practice by giving grants to poor, unmarried girls. Walk through any of the hundreds of rural Tsonga villages that dot the South African landscape, and you will be shocked at how many children grow up without the strength of a father at home. One study that surveyed the countries in the world with the most 2-parent homes placed South Africa dead last, with only 1/3 of homes having 2 parents. The numbers are most likely even lower in the rural villages. Polygamy steals fathers from the home as well. Though it is declining among South Africa's younger generation, polygamy still exists and still divides a father's loyalty to his children. Just as a bicycle is designed to have 2 wheels, God has designed the home to have 2 parents, a husband and a wife that raise their children in love. It is to fathers that Scripture gives the command to raise their children in the discipline and instruction of the Lord. The Tsonga family unit is a precious jewel in God's sight, and it should not surprise us that the evil one has labored so mightily to destroy it. Pray that as the gospel penetrates Tsonga hearts, they would see God's beautiful plan for the family. That a father and mother, husband and wife, along with their children, walking in the light of Jesus Christ, can do as much as anything to change and shape not only the culture, but many generations to come.